Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to compress picture for website. So guys, in order for you to compress a picture, it's just simply open up a web browser into your desktop and just simply go for imageresizer.com, and this will be their homepage. And from here, just simply go for image compressor over here on the top right, guys. And now once you are on the image compressor, you can just simply go ahead and click on select image, or you can just simply drag and drop it over here. And now I'm going to upload a 25 MB file. As you can see, guys, it is a picture, and just simply wait for it to upload. And now once it is uploaded, it will automatically compress for you. So guys, remember that you can also use other website, but I recommend this website to compress your photo. And as you can see, the original file size is 25 MB, and now it is compressed. It is now on 3.39 MB. And if you want to increase the quality, guys, as you can see, we can increase it. And if you want to change the file size as well, you can just simply go ahead and change it as well, and click on apply over here. And once you are done, once you have set your preferred details, just simply go ahead and click on download over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.